Standard 8, Subject Science, Lesson number 1, Living World and Classification of Microbes. In the last video, we have seen the meaning of some important terms related to this topic, and then we have seen the important criteria for Robert Harding Whittaker's classification. Robert Whittaker was the scientist who did classification of all living organisms, and he divided all living organisms into 5 groups. We have seen the criteria that he considered for this. Now we are going to see the classification. This is the classification, or these are the 5 groups that Robert Whittaker divided the living organisms into. So this classification, this table that you see, it is classification of living organisms given by Robert Whittaker. So Robert Whittaker divided all living organisms into 5 kingdoms, into 5 groups. They are called as kingdoms. So we'll see how he divided the living organism. First, he divided all living organisms into 2 major groups, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic organisms are unicellular, made from single cell, and eukaryotic organisms are either made from one cell or they are multicellular, made from many cells. Another important point between them is prokaryotic living organisms have cells which are very simple, like amoeba, paramecium, fungus. Eukaryotes have cells which are very developed. Their cells have different cell organelles, different parts. They perform different functions, like cell of plant or animal. Next, under prokaryotes, there is one kingdom. It is called Monera. Kingdom Monera. This kingdom Monera includes all bacteria and blue-green algae. The next kingdom, it comes under eukaryotes. It is kingdom Protista, and it includes eukaryotic unicellular organism. I told you eukaryotes are either unicellular or they are multicellular. So in eukaryotes, unicellular, there is one kingdom, that is Protista. Kingdom Protista. In this, all single celled organisms are present, means single cell plants and single celled animals which are made from one single cell, like amoeba, paramecium, protistas. They are called as protistas. So they are eukaryotes but unicellular. That means they are made up of one single cell, but that cell is very well developed. Next, eukaryotic multicellular. Under eukaryotic multicellular, there are 3 kingdoms: kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae, and kingdom animalia.